We, like the sailors, are sailing on the social media feed or doom scrolling, where we ultimately end up losing our sense of self. I'm Cecilie Waagner Falkenstrøm, and I'm an artist working with AI and machine learning technologies to create interactive artworks that makes us reflect upon how AI influence our personal lives, but also our societal lives. I've worked closely with students and researchers at Michigan State University to get a sense of how AI influences our lives. Different themes started to emerge, and one of them was the theme around mental health and our well-being in a time where social media really is luring us into using a lot of time in the feed. We had workshops really trying to get a sense of what are the students' lived experiences, and also trying to get a collective sense of what are the patterns in these experiences. The piece of work is a site-specific work created to be shown at the Broad Art Museum, where you have this really kind of like long room, really close to these really huge video projections, where the synthetic sirens are luring you with all their content. So you come in and you find yourself in front of the camera, and suddenly you're kind of like the center of attention. So it's really luring you into engaging on the feed, and they keep you locked in. But then, of course, the AI algorithms behind the social media feeds show their face more. It becomes really unsettling. And I think this is really core to the work. I think for a university like MSU, the possibility of having an artist in residence is an invitation to approach some themes from a different point of view, more anchored in our experiences, in thinking about and feeling how we as human beings live our lives on the social media platforms.